Do you want to know how you can turn Quizlet into dark mode? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you the two ways of which how you can change Quizlet into dark mode. Go ahead and open Quizlet on your Chrome or Edge browser and log into your account. Now go to your profile and you can see the dark mode right after you click on your profile. You can change it into dark mode just by clicking on dark mode over here and light mode. So another way is going to your settings, scrolling down, and you can see the theme under the appearance. Go ahead and change it to auto, light or dark according to your preference. This way your Quizlet will be turned into dark mode. I hope this video about how you can change your Quizlet into dark mode was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.